up, guys? As you can see, I'm on motorway M11 on my 125. Now, as I said, you can do this. It is perfectly legal if you have full license, and you can do it on 125. But I'm going full speed pretty much right now. I'm doing about 60 miles an hour. So, not the best idea to do motorways with this type of bike, as I cannot go any faster. But yeah, motorway driving is very easy actually. Because you don't have to do really anything. You just go straight. You can see, your road ahead very well. And you just go straight. It's very easy. It's just that the speed is involved, but the roads are much more wide. And therefore, if you're doing 70 miles an hour, even on 125, some 125s can do that. Then you can just go around. But as I said, I do not recommend that, although it is perfectly legal for you to do this. I do not recommend that because, as I said, you don't have power on 125 to escape a danger. That's one thing. And the other thing, if you want to overtake or something happens, 125 is not the best for that. So that's what I'm saying, it's not the best idea to use a 125 for motorways, but it is perfectly legal if you have full license. And you can go almost, on mine you can go almost 70 miles an hour, but it starts to rumble a bit. As I said, this bike can do 65 miles an hour, but I'm stressing it. As you can see, this is my rev count. And it goes to 9,000 RPM, and over that it's already a limit, red line. I cannot go onto a red line with my revs. That can potentially destroy the engine. So going to 9,000 is already stressing it a bit, because this is a small bike. But yeah, you can do it. As I said, it is possible to do it, to do motorways on 125. But it's not very comfortable, and I don't recommend that. There's one thing I can overtake, which is this truck. But it will take me a long time to overtake it. Probably. If it goes over 60, it would. But yeah, that's how the motorway looks like. If you've never done it, and you're on 125, for example, you don't have full license, this is how motorways looks like. It's nothing really major, it's just very simple. It's like A406, for example, it's just bigger and the speed limit is 70. So it's nothing major really, guys. It's just a normal road that is a bit faster than others and a bit wider, because it has, most of the time, it has 4 lanes and stuff like that. I am slowing down because it's an uphill. That's what I'm saying, normal cars and bikes that are not 125s will do motorways because they will be able to climb at 70 miles an hour on uphill. But mine will slow down a lot. I could do like 55 and that's my throttle is fully opened. I cannot add more power. My throttle, there's nothing else I can do there. So the best tips I can give you guys when you drive on motorway and you are on 125 is to stay in the left lane. Don't try to be cool and do other lanes. If you really do have to, there is a bus or a lorry that is going 50-55 miles an hour. Do overtake, but take caution, because for example, if I'm going, as you can see, I'm approaching 70 miles an hour. My mirrors are shaking as fuck. I cannot see what's behind me because the whole bike is shaking at 9,000 revs. I can see double cars, or double the same car pretty much. There's a Jeep behind me, I think it's a Jeep, but I can see it double. That's how it is when the bike is tested to the limit pretty much. So I don't do this often with this bike, because as I said, if you have a bigger bike, you can do it because it will just cruise at 70 miles an hour. But this one, when it approaches 70 miles an hour, obviously not uphill, because it cannot do that, then it will go to over 9,000. I cannot hear her. I have to go by the signs because I cannot hear her. I have the GPS. It's not a very difficult road from where I've been. I don't know what she's saying. I can only hear wind noise, and that's an uphill because I'm slowing down. My throttle is fully open all the time, and I'm going 60 now. The revs fell down a bit, but I'm going 60. So it's not the best idea to do this type of thing with small bikes because you are straining them a lot. I don't know what you're saying, mate. I have to go by the signs. London is 15 miles. 15? I don't remember if it's 15 miles or... For A406, 3 miles. Junction 4. Yeah, that's the one I'm on. Oh, because this is central London, probably. Is this junction 4? Oh. That's what I said. That's not the road I want. I just go by the signs. The signs are clear on motorways. They're quite helpful. Oh, I have one more thing I can actually add. Because I did a video that I broke something, and that was my boss's car. And I finally know the costs. And it will cost me £440. So that's why I said, you know, around £400, £500 it will cost me to pay for that repair. And it costed me £440. So that will be deduced from my salary pretty much. Quite expensive mistake, you know. Yeah, if you can repeat that now, because I'm going 50 miles an hour, maybe I will hear it now. At 50 miles an hour, this bike is cruising, it's fine. I still have some more power, a bit. But over 50 miles an hour, man, this is so slow. Even if you get 300cc bike, it's like no comparison, mate. The acceleration is different. But yeah, I told you about the amount I have to pay, so it will be a 406 over there. South? No, I need north. West. Okay, let me check again. Because I'm not going south, I'm going north. And that's west. South. Probably. Shit, I don't know. How about you tell me, GPS? I need to see the name places. I noticed. West and south. I need to go this one. That's the one. I think. If it's not, I'm fucked. I'm screwed if it's not. It has to be this one. Yeah, it is this one. Yeah, great. I could hear her at least. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You know, I don't want to bore you. It's just that my GPS is talking to me right now. And I know the way now. I just didn't know which, because north, I thought it's gonna say north, but it didn't. It said west. It said west. That's fine by me as well. But I'm gonna turn off over here. I could continue, but I have a faster route this way. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's for an update about my pricey mistake. And also, I showed you a motorway, M11, sorry. And it is possible to do it on 125s. It's just that it's not the best idea sometimes. If you have to do it, yeah, you can do it. And I had to do it, so I did it. Okay, my brakes are a bit shit now, because I've used to 20 miles an hour is such a low speed now. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. If you like to subscribe, add to favorites, whatever, share this, give it a like, and that's pretty much that. I will see you in my next vlog. Okay, shut up, mate. I know where to go. You don't have to tell me anymore, alright? So, yeah, that was to my GPS, not to you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next vlog. And blast out.